Welcome back to Tiny Tradies. Today is a very exciting day. We're out here on site and we're going to put a roof on this house. By the end of today, it is going to look very, very different. So why are roofs important? You might remember from our last episode that we were working on the frame of the house, and that's this part here. The frame is the skeleton of our house. It gives us a nice structure, a nice base to work with. We mentioned the trusses, which are up above me, and they hold the roof sheets. Well, today we're putting those roof sheets on. And the trusses are important to this because it gives us a structure to keep the rain and the wind out of the house. So what goes on a roof? Well, there's a number of products we use. There's things like tiles, there's things like slate that we can use. But on this one in particular, we're using this. And this is a metal roof. We're gonna put this on, and this is gonna keep all of our wind and rain out of our property. No matter what type of roof you put on your home, there's one thing that's really important. They must be really strong. Well, what happens if we don't have a roof? Well, you get awfully wet. So what goes on a roof? Well, we start with the insulation layer. Once our insulation layer is down, we then take our roof sheets and screw it down to the metal battens that we've previously installed. And that brings us to this week's tool of the week. And today, that is the impact driver. The impact driver is a very powerful little tool. It's a small drill that we use to put in large screws and remove large screws from different types of materials. Now let's see it in action. Well, can you guess what this tool is? That's right, it's a hammer. Fun fact, did you know a roof sheet can be longer than a bus? Today we've learned about why roofs are so important to our houses. Join us next time on Tiny Tradies for another adventure.